Hey guys, sorry for no upload yesterday. We got really busy and I could not upload. But today we have our update, but the real part will be soon. Wheelock MIZ24SR. Cool. We got that down. System sensor MHR. I won't show you the whole label because I don't have a lot of time. And we have the MHW as well. But the real part is now. The real part is at 36. So we have this vandal resistant mall button, lobby button, 36, and all these vandal resistant buttons here. Those are always fun to push. These two are universal. This one's decorator. Also, quick fact, if you don't know, the bruiser fixtures with other LEDs in them, with anything that's like a green LED, I've seen that before. If it has a green LED, I consider that a rare version of it. But now we move this lobby button. It's very nice. And now we have the mall button. Alright, let's go to the mall. Alright, we're at the mall. That was speedy. But these are all the fixtures I have. Plus this braille. We have more braille right here, here, here. We have round and squared, and we have round and squared buttons. I have the square decorator. It's a little bit hard to push though. The contacts are a little bit rough, but I'm going to show this off. Look at this. Look. Very, very nice panel. See? I unfortunately will not have time to do the plug-in, but I will not have time to do that today. Those are just some pockets just for salesmen. And then, yeah, you have that. And you have the up button. There's a vandal resistant of this as well. They have the mall button. This one's one of my favorite big bar buttons. And Innovation Industries. But I would like to say, I'd like to take the time to say thank you, CAelevator in Las Vegas in 2018. Thank you for this. Because this means a lot. This means a lot. Not a little, but it means a lot to me. Thank you for supporting LVElevators with this donation when it was ThyssenKrupp at the time. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye. Also, thank you, CAelevator, when it was ThyssenKrupp Elevator at the time, for donating this. You made it really possible for LVElevators. Thanks for watching. Bye.